Remove makeup. Clean face and neck area with cleanser. Apply toner. Apply massage cream evenly all over the face and neck and gently massage the treatment site 3 times. Relaxation through vibration massager. Slowly stroke from mouth corner to temple, nose wing to temple 3 to 5 times. You'll feel a slight vibration on the skin, which will be quite soothing and comfortable. Massage can help boost blood circulation, accelerate metabolism, and relieve fatigue. Massage the temples and forehead. Do the same on the other side. Slowly stroke back and forth along 大阪经 5 times. Do the same on the other side. Wash face clean. Apply Blackhead Expert Liquid on T-zone to soften skin, dissolve what's clogging the pores so that it cleanses better. Wait for 5 minutes and take off the cotton pad. Hydra Dermabrasion Treatment. Hydra Dermabrasion treatment can deep cleanse pores and at the same time replenish skin with moisture and nutrition. It cleanses thoroughly up to 60 to 70%. Place the tip at the treatment site and twist until it loosens up. Point treat from one to another. Double treat congested areas such as blackheads and clogged pores. Treat for 10 minutes. Suction around the corners of the mouth, then slowly strokes towards earlobe. Treat in parallel lines until covering the entire cheek 1 time. Avoid high-level suction intensity. Do the same on the other side. Wash face clean. One small bottle of hyaluronic acid serum is enough for 1 treatment, or use other serum that has 3 to 5 mm dose. Click Go Ahead on the screen to stop the thruster from going forward when it reaches the injector. Vanadium Titanium Methyltherapy. Vanadium Titanium Methyltherapy can replenish skin with moisture and nutrients. Adjust frequency and dose, then start the treatment. Move from chin to earlobe, mouth corner to ear gate, nose wing to temple, back and forth 3 to 5 times. Reduce the energy level when operating on the temples. You might experience a slight tingling feeling. Do the same on the other side. Slowly move back and forth from forehead and hairlines 3 to 5 times. To cover the entire face takes around 15 to 20 minutes. Apply toner. Shrink pores with cold hammer treatment. Apply essence evenly. Cold hammer calms skin, ease sensitive skin, shrink pores, and boost nutrients absorption. Move the probe slowly back and forth from chin to earlobe, mouth corner to ear gate, nose vein to temple, 3 to 5 times. You may feel it's a bit cold during the process. It helps reduce skin issues like redness, swelling, fever, and sensitive skin. Move up and down on the nose. Do the same on the other side. Move slowly back and forth from forehead to hairline 3 to 5 times. Apply sheet mask and LED mask. There's consecutive monocolor mode and intermittent multicolor mode. LED light helps to diminish bacteria and inflammation, hydrate skin, improve acne skin, and fade pigmentation. Select the mode based on one's own skin. Wait for 15 minutes. Remove the mask and wash face clean. Apply toner, essence, cream, and sunscreen.